Hi everybody! Today we are going to teach how to make delicious and fluffy hotcakes. So let's start. The ingredients that we are going to use are 1 cup of a cup of pancake flour, 2 pieces of eggs, a stick of butter, a cup of milk, cinnamon powder, and vanilla.
First, we are going to blend all the ingredients in a blender. Adding a pinch of cinnamon and tablespoon of vanilla. If we don't have a blender, we can mix with a ballon whisk.
Then we put the stove over low heat, put a pan, and put a tablespoon of butter for each hotcake that we put. A copious amount of the mixture is poured and we are going to turn until bubbles appear in the hotcake.
They must be golden. Take care that they don't burn. And boil, we have soft and fluffy hotcakes. You should add a topping of your preference: condensed milk, honey, or chopped fruit. See you soon.